In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Make, formerly known as Integromat, alongside ClickUp to create powerful automations that can streamline your workflow. If you're ready, let's dive in and get started right away. First things first, we'll be heading over to Make. This is where all the magic happens. You can log into your Make account by visiting their website and navigating to your dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to find the option to create a new scenario. Click on that because that's where we're headed next. On this screen, you'll encounter a few options, but our focus is going to be on building from scratch. Go ahead and select that option because this gives us the most flexibility to tailor the automation precisely to our needs. With that selected, you'll notice an interface with a plus icon. This is where we begin constructing our scenario. Clicking on this icon will allow us to add different elements to our automation. For our purpose today, we'll be integrating ClickUp, so in the search box that appears, type ClickUp. You'll then see ClickUp pop up as an option. Click on it to proceed. This is an important step because it sets the foundation for linking your ClickUp tasks with the automation you're creating in Make. Next, you'll need to select the specific function you want. Here, you can choose tasks like creating a task, updating a task, or in this case, we'll use creating a webhook. This function acts as a conduit that allows data to flow seamlessly between ClickUp and Make based on certain triggers or actions. After selecting to create a webhook, you will want to create a connection. Click on that option and this will start the process. At this point, a new window will pop up. This is where a bit of patience and attention to detail is essential, as you will need to follow the on-screen instructions carefully to properly establish the connection between your Make and ClickUp accounts. Make sure you have your ClickUp login information handy, as you'll need to enter your credentials during this setup. Once you're logged in, follow any additional steps as prompted by Make to ensure the connection functions properly. Finally, once the connection is established, you can customize the scenario according to your specific needs. This customization is key because it will define exactly how the automation behaves, what triggers it, what it does afterward, and how often it operates. Spend some time thinking about these customizations to align the scenario with your workflow goals effectively. And there you have it. With these steps, you're set up to integrate Make with ClickUp successfully, paving the way for streamlined task management and efficient workflows. Thanks for tuning in today. Feel free to leave a comment or question down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tutorials.